Welcome to another video on smart architectural programming, and in today's video we'll be focusing on how quantum data analytics virtual internships can unlock your power of programming. So imagine standing at the crossroads of cutting edge technology and problem solving through code. Now picture having these tools to process massive datasets and extract groundbreaking insights, all from the comfort of your laptop. Welcome in understanding the quantum data analytics virtual internship and how you can get them. So before we move any further, I would request you to like and subscribe our channel if you get any value from our videos. So with that, without further ado, let's move on to section number 1. Why quantum data analytics matter in programming. Let's start with the basics. Why do quantum data analytics and programming have in common? At first glance, it might seem like stepping into science fiction, but here's the kicker. They're both all about the problem solving at scale. Number 1, remember, big data, bigger insights. Modern systems generate enormous amounts of data, from financial markets to social media trends. Analyzing this data effectively requires advanced programming techniques. Quantum computing advantage is the second aspect on why quantum data analytics matter. Quantum data analytics leverages the immense processing power of quantum systems. As a programmer, this means writing algorithms that solve problems previously deemed impossible, like optimizing supply chains or modeling molecular interactions. Number 3 is the role of programmers. Programmers are the core of the revolution. They design the logic and the algorithms that power quantum data analytics. So learning those skills would take you far along your pathway to become a successful programmer. With that, let's move on to section number 2. What would be your experience once you potentially get this virtual internship, and what you should look for if you're looking for a virtual internship in quantum data analytics? So let's dive into the virtual internship itself now. You might be wondering, what exactly do I do, or what exactly you should do in such an internship? Please take a look at that before applying for any internship regarding quantum data analytics. Let's break it down. Number 1, project-based learning. From day 1, you should be able to tackle real-world challenges. You should imagine writing quantum algorithms to process large datasets or optimize machine learning models. Number 2, hands-on with tools. Your internship should allow you to work with quantum programming languages like Qiskit, Cirq, or PyQuil and integrate them with traditional Python frameworks. Ever wonder how to implement Grover's search algorithm? You'll get to try that particular algorithm. You'll get to try it and to learn about it in these internships regarding which teach you about quantum data analytics. Number 3, you should be collaborating with experts within the team to learn more. Your internship is not about doing work. It's about learning and learning and learning. Because it isn't a solo journey, you'll need to connect with mentors who specialize in both quantum computing and programming who should provide you with the guidance and the insights into the cutting edge developments regarding this field. So let's move on to section 3. Why should this internship stand out in your resume? So you've heard of a lot of internships, but why is this one so special for your CV? Number 1, it should be virtual. You should be able to access global projects and mentors without needing to relocate or move to the office space of that particular company. Number 2, you need to future-proof your skills. Quantum computing and data analytics are rapidly growing fields. By mastering them, you're staying ahead of the curve. Number 3, program-centric learning. Internship emphasizes coding, whether you're debugging quantum circuits or building machine learning pipelines. Programming is the star of the show. So now let's move on to the human element of these internships. So what would be the real world impact of what you learn and what the quantum data analytics does? Let's focus on that. So number 1, it would help develop empathy through code. Because behind every dataset are real-world stories. Learning to humanize the numbers ensures you're creating solutions that matter, like algorithms for equitable resource distribution or disaster prediction. Just like the Los Angeles fires we had recently, we could potentially have very large-scale prediction mechanisms that help us snuff out these fires before they threaten any cities long before that, basically. And number two, global problem solving. Whether it's climate change, cybersecurity, or healthcare, quantum data analytics has the potential to address challenges on a global scale, helping you feel that you are actually contributing something towards the growth and protection of humankind. Section 5 is how you make the most of this internship. So now you got the internship, now you understand what you get out of it, now you understand why you should be motivated enough to get this internship. Let's try to understand how you can make the most of this internship to learn more and bring a larger scale change. So number one, quantum. You need to master quantum programming basically in this internship. Not master. By master, I'm being a little bit, throwing it out there. By master, I mean just get proficient in it, right? By diving deep, you need to dive deep into frameworks like Qiskit and understand how quantum circuits work basically. Then you need to experiment basically. The best way to learn is to just make an assumption, try it out, and see if it works. That's the same case with programming, and that is the same case with quantum programming as well. Tweak algorithms, explore new approaches, and embrace trial and error. Quantum computing is still an evolving science. Your creativity in this field is the key to any further progress. And number 3 is network with mentors and peers. You must network with them. You need to build relationship with industry leaders and fellow programmers. These connections could shape your career and shape how you're going to progress in your career in the future. So, as we've covered all of that, we need to understand that the future of programming isn't just about writing code. It's about creating solutions that redefine the boundaries of technology. By joining a quantum data analytics virtual internship, you would be stepping into a world of innovation where every line of code has the power to reshape industries. So, please, what are you waiting for? The next breakthrough could be yours. Before we wrap up this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're excited to learn more, check out our channel for more videos like this to start your programming journey today. The future is being coded right now, and it needs your skill today as well.